2. So I got another tutorial video for y'all today. Today we're gonna be focusing on the back. So follow me. Straight to the left. So I'm gonna be showing y'all a dumbbell row variation that you can do. So it's gonna be on the incline bench. You can put it at about a 45-degree angle. This is kind of like the sweet spot. So watch. Grab the dumbbells. So this is a variation you can do if you don't feel like kind of doing the traditional way, or this variation where you're kind of bent over and doing rows this way. If you want something that's more stable, you come over here. Similar to the tutorial I did on the biceps, we're gonna do the same thing for the rows. So by doing it on the bench here, it's offering you another level of stability, allowing you to really get that mind-muscle connection towards your back. So you're not focusing so much, like whenever I was standing up, you're not focusing so much on your stabilizing muscles, you know, trying to stabilize the weight and things of that nature. When you incorporate the bench, take all of that out of the play, and you really get to focus on the muscle that you're trying to work, you know? So you're getting the most out of your workout, right? So, simple, dumbbells, over like this, and then the best way I like to think about it when doing these rows, or any row in particular, act like you have like a pencil, or I don't know, just something that's in between your back, and you're trying to squeeze your back together to hold the pencil in place, right? So you come down here, back hand, and you come up, squeeze that back together, come back down, and let it. A really good way to develop your back is to allow the back to really fully stretch. And the only way you do that is by letting your hands really come to a low, letting your hands really come to like almost a dead hang, right? So let them come down. Don't like keep them right here. You can do this like to keep the tension, but if you really wanted to develop your whole back in the physique, you want to let it stretch. So come up, squeeze, hold, squeeze. And also notice how when I'm doing this, that I don't have the dumbbells flared out way right here. If you do that, you're focusing more on your shoulder and your rear delt. You want to really be coming at like about a 45-degree angle, right? So your elbows, that means. So when bringing your elbows back, 45-degree angle, if not even closer. So like keep them closer to your body, like that. That'll really help you focus more on your back and not necessarily your shoulders, or put your shoulders in a very compromised position. That can be a lot of weight for your shoulders to be handling at that type of angle, right? So you really want to, same thing as a bench press, you want to keep those elbows tucked in and protect those shoulders and allow your back to do the full movement. So I'm going to do another set for y'all where I'm not talking so much, and you can just see me kind of do the whole exercise. Also, let me know in the comment section any tutorial videos y'all want me to do. I'll try and get them out as fast as possible. Try and get y'all ready for the summer, or help y'all maintain what y'all have for the summer. All right, let's get to it. And again, I'm kind of going super slow to really demonstrate the the exercise, but again, you don't want to be going super fast with this, kind of jerking the weight. Really allow your backs to do all of the work. So there you have it. That's dumbbell rows on the incline bench. And that's everything, man. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and we out.